Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by exposing what's causing the gap. Turn on Show /Hide so you can see paragraph marks, manual page breaks, and section breaks. Once done, switch to Draft View to make hidden section markers obvious, then select and delete any empty paragraph or explicit page break. You do this because visible markers reveal whether spacing or breaks create the gap, and removing an unwanted break immediately collapses the blank page without altering content formatting elsewhere. Next, refine spacing and section behavior so gaps don't reappear. Select the paragraphs around the gap and open the paragraph dialog. Set before and after to 0 pt and line spacing to single to eliminate invisible space. Once done, right-click each paragraph, choose line and page breaks, and make sure page break before is unchecked. This prevents automatic pushes to a new page. If a section break is present, either remove it or change it to a continuous break, because section breaks often force a blank page. Finish by checking headers, footers, and previewing the file. Open each header and footer to remove stray empty lines or conflicting different first page settings that can create a gap. Then use Print Preview to confirm the blank page is gone and save a copy before committing big structural edits. If the gap persists, copy the document content into a new blank document, but paste without hidden marks. This isolates corrupt formatting. One troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, inspect for an odd section break.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.